It's our final chapter of this bottle modeling tutorial. In first session we learned about modeling a glass bottle. In second session we learned about applying glass material. Now it's time to apply a label, setting up camera and render an image. Let's begin. Let me delete this label, so that we may start the process from scratch. Remember, it's a good habit to keep the project clean and simple. So, we need to delete the unused material slot. To do that, click here and choose Blender Files. You can see, all the file drop-downs available in this project is now visible. Open up this material layer. Right-click on the unused material and click on Delete. I am leaving this material because it's my glass material used in bottle. Again, change this to View Layers. Now it's time to create a surface, where we can put the label. So, go to Edit Mode. Select Face Mode. And loop select the faces with Alt key and clicking on one face like this. Press Shift+D to duplicate the selection. See, this is the duplicated faces. Just right-click and it will stay in its position. You can see in Collection panel that there are two objects. But I need to separate them. So, right-click, go to Separate, then click on Selection. You can see there are two objects. Now go to Object Mode and select this duplicated object. As I don't need any modifier on it, delete the modifiers like this from this duplicated object. Press S and scale a little bit for better visibility of this object. You can see, this object has the glass material. We need to remove this. So, go to Material Properties. Click on plus icon to add a new material slot, then click on New to create material. Click on Old Material. Click on this minus icon to delete the old glass material. I am scaling down in X-axis a little to match the label area. Now go to Edit Mode. Choose Edge Selection. Press Alt and Shift and click like this to select top, bottom and one vertical edge. Right-click and click on Mark Seam. Go to Shading Workspace. You will find only two nodes here. Principled BSDF and Material Output. Press Shift+A on keyboard to add a new node. Click Search. Type Image and click on Image Texture. Place the image texture node in blank area. Click Open and choose a PNG file from browser and click Open Image. Connect the color dot to base color dot. You can see, image was placed but it has no transparency. Now, connect the alpha dot of image texture to alpha dot of principled BSDF. Go to UV Editing Workspace. Press A on keyboard to select all faces. Left click and drag like this to select all the faces here. Scale and position the UV to match the image like this. To remove the repeated images, go to Shading Workspace. From Image Texture node, change Repeat to Clip. Now the repeat issue was fixed. Go to Layout Workspace, click Modifier, then go to Deform and choose Shrink Wrap Modifier. Click on Object Picker and click on Bottle as a target object of Shrink Wrap. Increase the offset value to 0.01. Now I am selecting both the objects and duplicating them with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Position them like this. Again duplicate them and position them like this. Now Shift+A and click on camera to add a camera. Change the position of camera like this. Press number pad 0 for camera view. Press N. Click on view. Zoom like this with middle mouse button. Then check mark on camera to view. Zoom out and make your camera view like this. Finally go to render menu and click on render image. You can use F12 also. After completion of render, save the image with suitable name, in JPEG format. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe and like.